Welcome to Yes Kids channel.
Today we're going to talk about WH question words. There are numbers of words in the English language that are used primarily to make questions. These words are question words, sometimes known as WH question words. The WH question begin with what, where, when, who, why, how. Let's start with the first one. Who. It is used to ask about a person. Examples of who question word.
Who is that boy? My brother Sam. Who likes to play basketball? Sam likes to play basketball. What? Asking about specific thing or object? Examples of what question word. What is in the box? A ball is in the box. What is your name? My name is Sophia. Where? Asking about a place. Examples of where question word. Where is the ball? It's on the table. Where are you from? I'm from Thailand. When? Asking about a time, occasion, or a moment. Examples of when question word. When is your birthday? It's on December 25th. When do the students leave school? The students leave school at 4 o'clock. Why? Asking for a reason. Examples of why question word. Why is she late? Because she gets up late. Why does Smith go to hospital? Because she is sick. How? Asking for a way, manner, or a form. Examples of how question word. How do you go to school? I go to school by bus. How are you? I am fine, thank you.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe to Yes Kid channel.